Hello, this is Vic at fatenvelope.me, and this is the first in a series of videos about standardized testing, which is a crucial part of the college admissions process. In this video series, we'll be talking about many topics including which tests you should take, understanding how to create a timeline and set goals for the exams, how to prepare for each exam, the day of the exam, what you should do, and then what you should do after the exam when you get your score and what you should be thinking about. So there's a lot of major issues here. Let's get started by understanding some of the different types of tests. The SAT 1 is the most common test, and it's out of a total of 2,400 points. Each section, there are 3 sections, math, verbal, and writing, are scaled from a score of 200 on the low end to 800 on the high end. So you can get a minimum score of 600 and a maximum score of 2,400. The second major test is the ACT, which is out of 36 possible points, and this can be taken in lieu of the SAT. It has a science section, so that makes it a little bit different. If you're good at science, this might be something to look at. But the SAT 1 is certainly more commonly accepted. Finally, you have the SAT 2s, which are subject exams. First of all, you have the math, which are 2 choices, the 1C and the 2C. The 1C is a little bit more basic, kind of like the SAT 1 math, algebra, and geometry, while the 2C has more advanced topics such as trigonometry and pre-calculus. So it kind of depends on your math level when you're taking the exams. You also have other subjects such as history, foreign languages, and sciences that you can take for the SAT 2s, and many colleges require these as well. I'll be talking a lot more about all of these exams in future videos. In the meanwhile, to learn about college admissions and also to learn some of the average SAT scores for different top schools, I recommend that you get the free Keys to Success report from my website, www.fatenvelope.me. You just have to put your name, email, and grade level. You'll get emailed the report. It has all sorts of tips about college admissions, and it also has a nice table that shows the average range of SAT 1 scores for many of the top schools. As a bonus, you will be signed up for our free newsletter, which features all sorts of valuable tips about how to get into the college of your choice. We're never going to share your email with anyone, and you may unsubscribe at any time, so there's no cost and no commitment. In our next video, we'll be talking about which tests you should be taking. How do you make how do you determine which tests are most appropriate for you? So definitely tune into that. And until then, best of luck in your college admissions process, and thanks so much for your time.